Hello again, welcome back to my channel. It's about 6-7 months ago I made a video on how to use this Sparkel machine to make sparkling water. And if you like to see, I made 2 videos. Please check out my 2 previous videos how to make sparkling water. So you know how to use this Sparkel machine right here. And today I'm gonna do another episode on this machine. But instead of making a sparkling water, I'm gonna show you how to make a sparkling wine. Sparkling wine is also called a champagne. So it's referred to as champagne. Champagne is like it's a region in France where they make those sparkling wine. So sparkling wine and champagne is interchangeable. So. Basically, a champagne or sparkling wine, you use a regular bottle of wine and you know, infuse it with carbon dioxide, like gas. You put gas into it to make it the bubble in the wine. That's you can turn that into like a regular wine like this into a champagne by putting the bubble. This is just a bottle of cheap wine called Moselle Pink Moscato. I buy this from Aldi for about $5, $6 right here. It's cheap one. Okay. So just fill it up to the line right here. I'm gonna put a couple cube of ice in there. I like to drink my champagne cold, so I put a couple cube of ice. That's it. And please check out my 2 previous videos how to make sparkling water, so you know how to use this sparkle machine right here. And in order to put gas into this pink Moscato right here, wine right here, all I need is citric acid. One tablespoon of citric acid, put it right here. One tablespoon of baking soda right there. You do exactly like when you were making the sparkling water, so it's exactly the same thing. And make sure you have water in the bag right here, water in this reservoir right here in the bag, and close the lid. Pull the handle down. I'm going to choose number 5. I want a lot of fizz, you know, a lot of bubble in this sparkling wine. So number 5, and then that's it. Let the machine do the work. It usually takes about a little more than 2 minutes. So now as the citric acid or the baking soda is producing that gas in it. It mixed with water in the reservoir in the bag right there, and now the gas is pumping into the bottle right now. The carbon dioxide is that carbon dioxide gas is pumping into the bottle right here. So that's creating the bubble, and that's how you make sparkling wine. Okay, now it's ready. See, it's ready. And let's take the champagne. All right, you see that? See the sound? And make sure before you open the open the bottle right there, turn on the cap right there, make sure you release the gas a little bit. Okay. All right. You see that? That's a sparkling wine and champagne right there. See the bubble coming up? All right. So this is how you use the Sparkel machine to make a sparkling wine or champagne. Let's taste this. Oh wow, that's good. That's good champagne right there. See the fish coming out right there? See? That's the citric acid and the baking soda that create the carbon dioxide that pump into this bottle right there by the machine, and cause this to have bubble in the wine, and then now you have sparkling wine. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learn how to make sparkling wine now. You can buy a cheap bottle of cheap wine, which I bought the pink Moscato for about $6. You can turn it into a champagne, a sparkling wine. So thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye. This is good. This is good. Oh man, that's good champagne right there.